What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Byron, aka the Mow-Town Hustler, aka the Grass Assassin. It's the middle of October. Still going at it. Of course, the grass is growing a lot slower than it was in the summer. You know, that's to be expected. I'm in the middle of transition more to to my fall operation, leaf cleanup. Currently, I have one backpack blower and a handheld blower. That's gonna probably get more used than it's been getting. You know, up to this point, I want to get a stronger backpack blower. You know, a more commercial grade. I have a Red Max 4300. I think that's what it is. And, it's been a beast thus far. You know, I want a stronger, probably Red Max or a steel, and I'm probably gonna. I'm looking into getting a yard vac. You know, and probably probably a newer 21-inch mower with a bag attachment to it. Because I'm thinking of of having the approach of mulching up the leaves and bagging them, you know, and have the whole process to be more like just a continual mowing season, you know. And I understand that I probably won't be able to do it every single property that way, but you know that's the direction I'm looking at going into. So I just wanted to put that out there real quick. You know, I'm about to get into this property, you know, and do my thug thizzle to it. You know, so like, comment, subscribe, share. You know, click that notification bell at the bottom, and holler back at your boy. I'm out.